Cogo's energy upgrade tool can be fully customized, including your logo, colors, fonts, and buttons. Users have the choice to explore upgrades for their home or their car. Starting on your home, simply enter the address of your current property. Information is then automatically populated, such as the size and type of home. You can update the information if required, and the tool instantly calculates how much money you can potentially save on energy bills. Check out more information on the upgrades that will deliver these savings, and select the ones you're interested in. At a click of a button, Cogo then connects you with deals from credible local installers and finance options. If you're interested in upgrading your car, simply enter your license plate, and Cogo automatically pulls information on the vehicle, such as the shape, the distance you drive each year, and potential resale value. To estimate the charging costs of a future EV, enter your postcode and information on any solar system you might have. Cogo then recommends the optimal set of EVs based on your existing car's resale value and body type. Learn more about the potential savings that you'll realize from shifting to an EV, and other factors such as the range, the battery and charging speeds, the performance and safety, and the size and space that you'll enjoy. Select the cars that you're keen on. Every battery electric and plug-in hybrid vehicle available in the market is listed on the site. Cogo then sends you information on your favorite cars, and you can connect with local dealers and financing options. Let's go electrify the world. Let's Cogo.